उसे हमेशा चिंता लगी रहती है कि लोग क्या कहेंगे। She is always worried sick about what others would say. She is always worried sick about what others would say. वह गुस्से से फट पड़ी। She gave vent to her anger. She gave vent to her anger. दुखी मन से वो चली ही गई। With a heavy heart, finally she left. With a heavy heart, finally she left. बिजली का बिल देखकर मुझे बड़ा झटका लगा। I got a nasty shock when I saw the electricity bill. I got a nasty shock when I saw the electricity bill. मुझे तो सोच के ही डर लगता है कि इतना सारा काम कैसे होगा। I dread to think how this workload would be cleared. I dread to think how this workload would be cleared. वो उसके साथ द्वेष भाव रखती है। She bears a grudge against him. She bears a grudge against him. उसने मेरी उम्मीदों पर पानी फेर दिया। She dashed all my hopes. She dashed all my hopes. उसे गुस्सा आता है पर वो दिखाता नहीं है। He gets angry but bottles it up inside. He gets angry but bottles it up inside. घर की कलह से उसका दिमाग बोझ से भर गया। Family discord weighed on his mind. Family discord weighed on his mind. आज मुझे कुछ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है। I am feeling little down today. I am feeling little down today.